Hello students, today we have to move for the next continuation part in the lesson human eye and colorful world. So I think you know about some natural phenomena in sun and everything. So today I'll give some example for refraction. These are the natural phenomena, also for the some example for refraction, which are those twinkling of star, twinkling of star. I think you know about that. These are the example for natural example for refraction. Keep in mind, twinkling of star. Then color of the sky appears to be blue. Sky color is appears to be blue. I think you know about that. Then ocean water is also appears to be blue. Then also the sunrise and sunset. Okay, sunrise and sunset, in which color it is appears to be, so that is sunrise and sunset is appears to be red. Okay, so these are all the example for natural example for refraction. Okay, these are all the natural example for refraction. So now we have to know about the first thing, that is the stars are. Why the stars are twinkling? I think you know about that, and you are giving a rhyme also for that, and you learnt in a pre-KG, LKG, UKG. Twinkle twinkle little star. Okay, ಹೊಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳು ಹೊಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿನುಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಿನುಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಸಮಟೈಮ್ ಡಿಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಓಕೆ twinkling in the sense bright and dim continuously. If it has happened, that is called as a twinkling. So why we have to know about that, why the stars are twinkling now. So okay, the stars are twinkle due to the atmospheric refraction. I told you already, these are all the example for refraction. So the stars are twinkle due to the atmospheric refraction. Okay, when the path of the light coming from the star goes varying slightly, because the stars are not at a same distance. One star is very near to us, and one star is very far away to us, like that. Okay, so this distance, the light what is coming to the earth, fall on earth. Okay, this distance is very, see, this distance is very less, and this distance is more, this distance is more. So like that, it is vary compared to the one star to another star. Okay, so by that time, when the distance of the light enter to the earth or enter to the human eye, okay, when it is vary, then the star sometimes, okay, when it is vary, because which star is what enters to the human eye at a very distance, then by that time though that star is twinkling, I mean appears to be bright. And when one more star, when it is entered from the long distance, then it will be appears to be what fainter. Bright means ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ, fainter means dim ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. So this is happening, okay, this is happening due to the atmospheric refraction. Mainly why the stars are twinkling, because the amount of the light enter to the human eye from the varied star is so different. Okay, so different, because all the stars not are the equidistant from us, the amount of the light enter to the human eye is varies. By that time, when the light ray which is from the nearby star underwent for refraction, then that stars appears to be brighter, and which stars having a long distance, that appears to be fainter means dim dim. So that causes, when the brightness and the dim together it happen, then we can feel the twinkling. Hope you will understand this. Don't get confusion. In 1 or 2 lines we can write answer for this. Again I will repeat you. Why the stars are twinkling? The stars are twinkling due to the atmospheric refraction, because the amount of the light entered from the different star, from the different distance of the stars is vary. vary means different ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So then by that time some stars appears to be brighter and some star appears to be fainter. Okay, why some star appears to be brighter? Because it has giving a coming from the less distance. Okay, why the some stars appears to be fainter? Because they are having a very long distance. So by that time when that causes, when the stars appears to be brighter and fainter, brighter and dimmer, then we can feel the stars are twinkling because many stars are there. Okay, this space is having a more collection of stars, then we can see the we can feel the stars are twinkling. Okay, really the stars do not twinkle. Okay, that is a star. Being a star, they are emerged the light. How the sun is emerged the light, ಹೇಗೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಅವು ಕೂಡ ಲೈಟನ್ನು ಎಮರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, that is the reason for the stars or why the stars are twinkling. In opposite, if you are taken the opposite, because the celestial bodies in a space, stars also there and planets also there. Okay, planets also there. Earth is also one of Earth is also one of the planet of the sun. Okay, I think you know about that. Many planets are there, but we know about that stars are twinkling, but planets do not twinkle. Okay, planets or do not twinkle. So what is the reason for this? Why the planets do not twinkle? It vice versa it is. Okay, so here planets do not undergo for the atmospheric refraction, one thing, and the amount of the light enter to our eye from the planet. Okay, from the planet, that is out of zero ಗಿನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I mean -1 -2, because the planets doesn't emits the light. You know about that. They do not emits the light. They will give light with the help of a stars. Earth is giving a light with the help of Earth can detect with the help of the sun only. In the same way, planets do not emit the light themselves. They will give a light with the help of a stars. We know about that, right? Okay, that's why the amount of the light enter to the eye from the different planets is out of zero in the sense -1 -2 -3 like that. Okay, I mean below zero, out of zero, at that light do not undergo for atmospheric refraction. It is out of zero, no, so that's why it do not undergo for any atmospheric refraction. So for that sake the planet do not twinkle. Okay, so this effect is called as the nullifying twinkling effect. Keep in mind, this effect of the planets is called as the nullifying twinkling effect. Nullifying means ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಮಿನುಗುವಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನೇ nullifying twinkling effect. Very important. Here also two reasons we can give why the stars are twinkling. One is stars are twinkling due to the atmospheric refraction. Amount of the light enter to the eye is vary from the different star. Okay, so that just gives the some star is brighter and some star is fainter, so the stars are twinkling. Here why the planets do not twinkle? One thing is they do not undergo for the atmospheric refraction, because the amount of the light enter to the eye from the planet is out of zero. If it is out of zero, it does not undergo for atmospheric refraction. So that's why the planets do not twinkle, and this effect is called as the nullifying twinkling effect. Nullifying means nil, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ twinkling effect ಇಲ್ಲ. That is called as the nullifying twinkling effect. Very important it is. May sometimes they can ask you which celestial bodies as giving or as demonstrating or as providing the nullifying twinkling effect. That nothing but the planets. Okay, that vice versa it is. Okay, so this is about the planets and the stars. Next we have to know about the sunrise and sunset is why the sunrise and sunset is appears to be red and the ocean color is blue and everything. Okay, hope you will understand this, and this is more important and most repeated. Anyone they can ask in examination about the twinkling of stars, or why the planets do not twinkle, or why the sky's color is blue, or why the ocean color is blue, or why the sunrise and sunset is appears to be red. Anyone they can ask, and it is very important also. You should be ready for to answer. Thank you all.